Minister of Finance Sri Mulyani stated that the rupiah has weakened to 16,300 rupiahs due to Trump's policies. Minister of Finance Sri Mulyani Indrawati stated that the weakening of the rupiah, now standing at 16,300 rupiahs per US dollar, is due to policies enacted by US President Donald Trump. She explained that by the end of 2024, the rupiah had actually settled at 16,162 rupiahs per US dollar, with an average exchange rate of 15,847 rupiahs per US dollar throughout the year. However, as Trump's inauguration on January 20, 2025 approached, the rupiah continued to depreciate against the US dollar. As of March 10, 2025, the exchange rate had dropped to 16,340 rupiahs per US dollar, with a year-to-date average at 16,309 rupiahs per US dollar. She added that since Donald Trump took office, a series of his executive policies have sparked continuous global turmoil, which has also affected the rupiah's exchange rate. Sri Mulyani acknowledged that the first 2 months of 2025 have been particularly challenging. In response, the government remains vigilant and is actively working to mitigate the risk of global market fluctuations on Indonesia's financial sector. What's your take on this, sahabat Kompas TV?